So I'm glad you made it here. I'm recording this video on my phone because why not? It's real. There's no reason for me to get professional photography, done when it's just me in my room and a board. So anyways, I'm 22 and I got my own house, my own car, everything's paid for, financial freedom, and it's an unbelievable feeling. So now I'm trying to be able to give back to the world. So I had a lot of people messaging me on Facebook. I created a Facebook page, and a lot of people were messaging me asking for me to teach them. And I didn't have a way because, I make money through my websites, not through necessarily teaching people. So there was no way that I was able to do this. So I was like, I got to come up with some system. I took on some people, but, it costs, I have to charge thousands of dollars if, I'm going to mentor someone one-on-one because, it takes away time from my website. So, or from my life in general. So, I can't do that when you got to put yourself in my shoes. You got 100 messages a day. So what I've done is I've actually created a chain of videos and audios for people, because I remember, all these other coaching programs are thousands of dollars. And I remember when I found my first 4 businesses. And then I remember at the 4th one, I remember having a credit card. This happened more than once where I had a credit card and I was going into debt, buying coaching programs. And, I just remember being thousands of dollars and how I just wished there would have been something that could have gave me everything I needed for an affordable price. So that's what I'm here to do. And what I'm doing is I'm giving you everything that's inside of my head. I became successful in a short amount of time, basically 9 months. In 9 months, I was able to go from $10 an hour, I was doing electrical work, to, successful online entrepreneur, financial freedom, never have to worry about money again, making thousands of dollars while he sleeps. Traveling the world. I got a baby girl, daughter, and I'm able to spend as much time with her as I want, because that's what it was all about for me was having time. Can you imagine having the time that you want with the money to be able to spend? See, a lot of people, they make good money, but they're having to work for it. And what this is I have money working for me daily, and but I also, it was a lot more to it. I found mentors. I got mentors that are billionaires and millionaires, that were able to tell me exactly everything. I was able to be a detective and a spy and get all their knowledge out of their head. And, that right there was like a time machine, because I was able to speed through life. I know what these 50-year-old billionaires know, and I'm only 22. And this took them a whole lifetime to learn. And then I didn't just stop with one mentor. That was my life 24/7. Still is. This is being an entrepreneur and becoming successful. Now, I've got to a point to where I can relax, but I'm still always on the grind, because that's what I love, right? We're entrepreneurs. So, but what I've done is I've created something for people. Like I said, I get hundreds of messages a day. People ask me, where do I start? What books do I read? How do I make money online? So I've came up with a way. It's only $37, and it's going to be everything that's inside of my head. I've recorded everything on audios, videos, and I'm going to be still recording stuff every day, all day. You're going to be getting new content. It's going to be uploaded to the website, and also I'm going to be doing conference calls where, webinars where we're going to get on there. People can ask me questions. It's basically like your own mentor, personal mentor, and for $37, it's unbelievable. So, and that's another thing. $37. I just went out to eat with my dad, and it was what we had. We had some crawfish, and it was like $44. It was $44. So you could go. You don't have to go out to eat for 2 nights, and you could get some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and you would have enough money for this. To be able to change your life forever. A 22-year-old. Didn't go to college. I dropped out of college. I made a 13 on my high school and ACT. I'm a 13 on my ACT in high school, dropped out of college, and here I am, 22, own my own house, paid for, cars paid for, travel the world. My daughter's gonna have the best life ever. I'm having the best life ever. It's not all about the money though. That's the thing. That's why it's such a good thing of what I got, because I have time to be able to enjoy the money. I'm healthy. I eat healthy. I try to I have great relationships with family, great relationships with friends, good social life, all that stuff. And, it's a great feeling not ever having to worry about money again. The financial freedom is, it's unbelievable. But the biggest thing, the most value, I gotta say, other than, the knowledge that you're gonna get from me as far as just so much stuff. But the actual stuff that you'll be able to use and benefit from right when you get done is going to be how to make money right from your phone or laptop, and that's today. And I'm going to share every way that I've made money, all the ways that my millionaire friends make money, all the ways that my billion dollar mentors make money. I'm going to show you how you can buy and resell on eBay. Like people who only got $100 in their wallet. This is going to help them. Also, it's going to help the people, that do have money, because they're going to be getting all my knowledge from my head and different sources of income, different ways they can learn how to make income. They can expand and diversify in different ways. I'm going to show you how to buy and resell on eBay. I'm going to show you how you can, I started a business on Shopify, and my last one, the one I've been so successful on, which is a general store through selling products through Facebook advertising. And I'm going to teach you how you can build a brand on Shopify. I'm going to show you how you can start your own private label on Amazon. I'm going to show you how you start a consulting company. If you've got any knowledge or any skills, can you play the guitar? Can you play the piano? There's so many ways to make money online. It's unbelievable, and just people don't know. And they're asking me, and I can't just sit there all day and be able to respond to all of them. So I've created this for only $37. I'll show you all the ways you can make money online starting today, literally with little income. I'm going to show you how you can buy from Craigslist, resell on eBay. That's what I did a lot in the beginning. I'm going to be giving away my whole list of suppliers. When I had a business on eBay, all the suppliers, I ran out of capital. That's why I failed. And then by the time, I love Shopify now. But the point is, if you have an eBay business, I'm going to be giving you a list of all my suppliers, and I guarantee you one of them you're going to be able to profit from, But you probably better hurry, because eventually, after enough people get my list, it'll probably balance out on eBay. But you see what I'm saying? So so much value in this for only $37, unbelievable. So I'm looking forward to changing lives, and because this is the future. The brick and mortar stores in like 10, 15 years are gonna be gone, Not to mention, like YouTube's gonna triple in the next 5 to 10 years. Like TV, they talk about it's not gonna be around much longer eventually. Just think about it. Everything's online now, so you need to be able to jump ahead of the crowd and learn these things, because if not, you're gonna get left. People are losing their jobs left and right. This is guaranteed income forever. You don't ever have to worry. The only time you'd have to worry is if somehow they shut the Wi-Fi down in the world, or the internet down. But I'd rather take that chance than working for somebody else and having a boss, So the freedom, I'd rather take that chance any day. So anyways, I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to get some more testimonials.